Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week I thought I'd show you how to crimp your hair with straighteners. So if you're feeling a bit too 21st century, don't worry, I've got you. So if you take the straighteners, hold your hair, hold it like this on the side, and then clamp it together and twist it up, and then take away. So as you can see, it's made a crimp shape there. So the crimp has stopped here, so you just want to start crimping again about here so that it's even all the way down. So crimp, up, and let go. And just keep doing that all the way down the hair. Like so.